Do you know the skills that can change your whole life? These are simple things, but most people learn them too late. First, learn how to manage your time. Small daily planning can make a huge difference in your future. Even 10 minutes of focus can build powerful habits. Talking clearly is a superpower. When you speak with confidence, people listen to you more. Good communication helps you in school and in life. Problems are not scary if you know how to solve them. Every challenge is like a puzzle waiting for your idea. Thinking step by step makes everything easier. Controlling your emotions is very important. Staying calm helps you make better decisions. Strong people are the ones who control themselves. Knowing how to use money wisely is a life skill. Saving a little today can help you a lot tomorrow. Smart choices make your future safer. Taking care of your body is very important. Eating healthy and moving daily keeps you strong. Good habits today build a better tomorrow. Being responsible makes people trust you. Finishing what you start is very important. Responsibility builds your strong character. Learning how to learn is a powerful skill. Asking questions makes you smarter every day. Curiosity helps you grow faster than others. Working with others is a powerful life skill. When you help each other, everything becomes easier. Great teamwork can achieve amazing things. Believing in yourself changes everything. Confidence helps you try new things without fear. The more you try, the stronger you become. These life skills can change your future step by step. Start today and practice them every day. Follow and learn more skills to become your best self.